If you have a dog and you want to make its bath time more enjoyable and comfortable, then dog wash stations are best solution for you. These portable dog washers are the perfect way to bath your dog anywhere during hiking, walks, or a trip to the park. They eliminate most of the issues such as slipping, sliding and lifting the pet into and out of the tub, and provide safe, happy and healthy life. In order to help you to find out the right one, we have selected and reviewed best portable dog wash stations. If you like any of them, you can buy through the link in the description. Number 1. Booster Elevated Pet Bathing Medium. It is fully connected to the drain hose for proper water drainage. And it has 360 degrees access that allows easy bathing and drying. It is made of UV stabilized polypropylene, so it can be stored outdoors without the worry of color fading. It eliminates most of the issues such as slipping, sliding and lifting the pet into and out of the tub, and messy bathroom cleanups. Its legs are fully connected to the base of the tub and makes light snapping noise when the legs are properly assembled. Its package includes adjustable side storage space for shampoo, restraint system, drain hose and rubberized non-slip mat. Number 2. Furesh Stepper Big Dog Bath Tub. It has perfect height for medium to large size pets that makes bathing and grooming easy, and its legs and stairs are removable, which saves more space. It has lightweight construction and patented folding mechanism, and the prints on stairs prevents your pet from slipping. It makes your puppy more comfortable by providing safe, healthy and happy life. Its package comes with 2 sides pockets that can store essentials, 2-point leash restraint with adjustable collar, built-in drain system with a strainer and stretchable drain hose. It is easy to assemble. Simply connect the bathtub legs to the bathtub frame by pushing the button, and gently pull on the leg to confirm it is locked in place. Number 3. Shielander Pet Bathtub. It comes with a grooming arm and leashes that can be placed on any height surface, so that you don't have to bend down to wash your pet. Its bottom is solid with flat base and its wall is constructed with durable PVC polymer, which is scratch-proof and slip-resistant, therefore pet will be safe and secure as you wash them. It can hold your pet securely in place and enables you to keep both hands free for washing, rinsing and grooming them. It comes with long drain hose that empty the bathtub easily when you have finished washing of your pet. Number 4. Furesh Elevated Dog Bath Station. It is portable bathing and grooming tub that helps you to keep your pet clean and conserve water. Its 2 side pockets store shampoo and other bathing or grooming essentials within easy reach. It has lightweight construction and patented folding mechanism for easy storage, and its legs are easily removed that saves more space during transport. It has 3-point leash restraint with adjustable collar that makes shower of your pet safer and more convenient. Number 5. Viva Pet Grooming Tub. It is equipped with removable door for keeping water from leakage, and it has small hole design skid-proof pedal and pet leash inside the tub that can keep the dog from slipping and falling. Its high-pressure sprayer is durable with chromium coating and a brass core, and it has switch for adjusting the volume of water, which gives your pet a funny and comfortable bath. It is easy to clean with flowing water, and its drain strainer to filter fur through the drain pipe. It can help you to keep your dog safe, happy and healthy by providing comfortable and more convenient bath station.